Hey, howdy, hey, and welcome back, y'all. This is Dallas Does Makeup. I am Dallas, and today I'm doing makeup. I wanted to do a new video with my new backdrop here, as you can see. It's very nice. I like the brick. Uh, it just didn't come with a stand, so now I have to order a stand, so that's another 40 bucks out of my pocket. Life is expensive, and I hate it. Anyways, I wanted to do a video with this backdrop and do a trailer video slash an introduction video, like an official one, for my YouTube channel. So welcome! As you know, my name is Dallas. This is Dallas Does Makeup, and once again, I am doing makeup. I am a trans man. I am a genderqueer trans man, as I call myself. Um, and I grew up with a love and a passion for makeup. I did a lot of makeup when I was growing up. I did a lot of makeup in high school and college for theater productions and stuff. I have a background in art. I don't have a lot of art training so much as I have like a lot of passion for art, I suppose. I did a lot of art history classes in high school and college. I did a lot of painting workshops in high school. I did a lot of stage design and makeup design. I did a little bit of fashion design, and I realized I was a trans man when I was 25. So I have about 25 years of experience of makeup behind me and this passion for what I consider to be an art form. I think a lot of people have a very narrow view of makeup. They view it as something that women wear and that's it. Whereas I view makeup as more of like painting on top of a living sculpture. I really appreciate that aspect of it. I think it adds a complexity and it adds a depth, and it can even add an extra layer of beauty, or an extra layer of logic or morality to whatever art statement you're making. Or it could just be a really nice way to show off your face, you know? If you like something about your face, if you don't like something about your face, it's nice to kind of play with those ideas of what it means to be classically beautiful and what it means to enhance yourself. I like to use makeup to enhance myself and the things that I like about myself. Whereas when I was growing up and when I was in college and grad school, I often used makeup as a way to hide the things I didn't like about myself. There's a plane going overhead, if you can hear that. I live near an airport. Okay, it's gone. Um, but when you use makeup to hide yourself rather than enhance yourself, I find that over time, especially with me, at least for me, I'm going to say for me, over time, it really did a number on my self-worth. And, you know, being a closeted trans person wasn't helping with that, of course. You know, I constantly felt like I wasn't measuring up to womanhood. But when I started using makeup as a way to pursue womanhood rather than as a way to pursue my own self-expression, I ended up hating myself a lot more the longer I used makeup, because I would just keep trying to cover up all the stuff I didn't like. I would keep trying to make myself look more feminine, look like the right kind of feminine, you know. And I got really good at makeup, like I did, but I eventually stopped doing makeup altogether for a while because it was too painful. But now I'm back. I'm 28 years old. I'm almost 29, and I'm almost 1 year on testosterone, which is really exciting. I don't know if you can tell because my voice has changed. I am absolutely covered in acne. You're probably looking at my face going, Dallas, that's not too bad. Well, this is a calm day. This is like all my recent flare up is kind of going away. Plus, you can't see my back. That might be TMI, but this channel is not for kids. Be warned. Anyways, this is going to be kind of a long video. It's either going to be one long video with chapters, or I'm going to break it up into multiple miniature videos that I then put into a playlist. I haven't decided yet. I think with my internet and with the way my computer handles large files, I'm probably going to make this multiple videos. I might re-upload it again as a single video later, with that in mind. But this series is going to be me taking you through all of the steps of putting on makeup one by one. So we're going to start with a video on base. We're going to start with a video on foundation and concealer. We're going to then have a video on like contour and blush and like all the way up the line. So that if you are a beginner, which I assume a lot of you are, if you have any questions about how to apply certain products or how I like to apply certain products, I will then be, you know, providing answers, hopefully. There are a lot of YouTube makeup channels out there. There are a lot of YouTube how-to videos out there. So if you're chomping at the bit for answers, or if you feel like I was not able to sufficiently help, you know, you can always YouTube it. There's hundreds and hundreds of videos about how to apply eyeliner and stuff out there. So I am very sorry if I don't answer all your questions, but please rest assured that I am not the only source of information. And with that said, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you like it. I hope you subscribe to my channel. I hope you turn on notifications for the channel. And all in all, I just hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye. Another fucking plane. What is it with this thing? See, I told you my channel's not for kids. I swear like a sailor. I'm working on it. Kind of. I really should work on it. If I want to go work in an office again, I really should. Trying to not curse every 2 seconds. Well, that's a project for later, I guess.